Alright, I'm just getting home and letting the dogs out. I'm going to be posting the pressure washing video that I took. I'm going to put this at the beginning. I didn't get any video of me finishing the driveway because I still have yet to do that, but it's been 8 days or so since I uploaded, so I'm going to go ahead and get a video uploaded for y'all. Stick around for the next one where I show some of the yard work that I've done using a ditch witch. I got some good video of that, so I have that coming. I've gotten the carport cleaned up, have the car moved over, but it's leaking oil and everything. I'm gonna park the 4-wheeler there, got my truck stuff there. I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash this and then probably pressure wash down the driveway. See how it turns out. I've gotten half the driveway done and the carport done. Looks better than what it was, but it still looks kind of dirty. It's old concrete, so not much you can do about that. It's got its stains and everything. This was just pressure. I didn't put no kind of cleaning chemical down or nothing, but it came out pretty decent. I'm happy with it. We've had a long day as it is, so I'm gonna call it for today, but I'll probably pick back up on it and finish. I'm gonna try and get to where I can have my GoPro on and do stuff like this. I have to buy a mount for it first though. out of gas, but I made it from about right here-ish to down there. I'm gonna take a break for today, put some more gas in it and finish that last bit later on.